Okay, hello everyone. So today we are going to learn cells in series. So in this lecture we are basically learn the derivation, how to solve numerical, and how to solve questions where there is combination of cells in series and cells in parallel. Okay, so let's come to the derivation part first. So cells are said to be connected in series when current through all the cells is same. So cells are in series when in this cell of EMF E1, internal resistance R1, current is high. In this cell of EMF E2, internal resistance R2, current is high. And in this cell, the third cell, the EMF E3, resistance R3, the current is high. So all these three cells are connected in series. So suppose I put a point B here, point A here, and I try to find out VBA. That is, we'll move from B to A and write Kirchhoff equation. So we are moving from B to A. Current is from B to A. So for R3 we'll write minus IR3 and we'll get the negative terminal first. So we'll write plus E3. Then we are going in this direction. Current is in this direction. We'll write minus IR2 plus E2 because we'll get the negative terminal first. Then for this internal resistance R1 minus IR1 plus E1. So what we'll do is we'll separate the EMF, that is E1 plus E2 plus E3 minus I R1 plus R2 plus R3. Now suppose what we'll do is, suppose we combine all these three cells and make a single cell of equivalent EMF E equivalent and equivalent resistance R equivalent and current is I, we can write VBA to be equal to minus IR equivalent plus E equivalent. Okay, now what we have done is we have made this circuit and reduced to this circuit. The current will be same because we are just reducing the circuit. So if I compare this and this equation, so equivalent EMF when cells are in series is E1 plus E2 plus E3 and R equivalent will be R1 plus R2 plus R3. Now remember, howsoever cells are connected, internal resistance will get added up. But for EMF, this will not be the case. For EMF, it will depend how cells are connected, whether negative is connected to positive or positive is connected to positive or positive is connected to negative. So how to solve numerical, that is a more important part. But you have to learn this derivation because it is part of our syllabus. Okay. Now I'll take a simple example. Now we have four cells of 9 volt each and internal resistance 0.1 ohm each. So all four of them are similar. Now there's an external resistance of 10 ohm. We have to find out current in the circuit. First what we'll do is we'll calculate E equivalent. Now you have to check. See, positive connected to negative, positive connected to negative, positive connected to negative. So you can directly add them up. So 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9, 36 volt. And equivalent resistance, we have to add it up. So it will be 0.4 ohm. So when you will reduce the circuit, the total EMF will be 36. The total R equivalent will be 0.4 and external is 10 ohm. So current will be IV upon R equivalent. So total R will be, since this both are in series, so 10.4. So this is the total current. Okay. Now if we look at this question, this circuit is not that much easier. Here, the negative of this battery is connected to negative and positive of this battery is connected to positive. So we can't add the EMF. We'll take help of Kirchhoff equation. So we'll put a point A here, a point B here, and current is going from B to A. Okay? Now VBA will be, if we move from B to A, you have to write Kirchhoff equation. So from VBA, first we'll encounter 0.1 ohm, so minus 0.1 I. Then negative terminal first, we'll write plus 10. Then positive terminal first, we'll write minus 8. Then we are going on that side, current is on same side. So we'll write minus 0.2 I for this, minus 0.2 I for this, and plus 10. So when we'll solve this, we'll get 12 minus 0.5 I. So if you'll see, the equivalent EMF will be 12 volt and equivalent resistance will be 0.5 ohm. So this is how you have to solve questions for cells in series. Now suppose we have a complex circuit like this. We have 9 identical cells of EMF E and internal resistance R each. And I want to find out current through this resistance. So what we'll do is, this 3 will be in series, this 3 will be in series, this 3 will be in series. And negative connected to positive, negative connected to positive. So we can directly add. So 3E, 3R. Similarly for the middle branch, 3E, 3R. For the lower branch, 3E, 3R. and we have an external resistance R. Now all these three cells are in parallel. So first we'll calculate 1 upon R equivalent. So 1 upon 3R plus 1 upon 3R plus 1 upon 3R. So R equivalent will be equal to R. Now we'll calculate E equivalent. So E equivalent by R equivalent equal to E1 by R1 plus E2 by R2 plus E3 by R3. Solving this equation will get E equivalent to be equal to 3E. So this circuit will further get simplified to this one. That is a total equivalent EMF is 3E. Total internal resistance is R and external resistance is caps log R. So I will be equal to V upon R equivalent because R and R are in series. So this is how you have to solve questions related to cells in series and cells in parallel, combinedly both. Okay, we'll solve one more question here. So we have a battery of EMF 2E, another of E, both have internal resistance R, and in the lower branch EE both have internal resistance R. Now if you see negative connected to positive, so they both will get added up. It will be 2E and internal resistance 2R. In upper branch also R plus R will be 2R, but the negative is connected to negative. So what we'll do is we'll subtract 2E minus E, it will be E. Now both of them are in parallel, so you have to calculate equivalent resistance with the help of parallel formula, and then E equivalent by R equivalent equal to E1 by R1 plus E2 by R2. You will get equivalent EMF, and this is the reduced circuit. So this is how you have to solve questions for cells in series and cells in parallel. Okay, now what you have to do is you have to submit an online quiz on the basis of what we have learned today. I'll be sending you the quiz. It can be online also, it can be PDF also. If you have any doubt, you can WhatsApp me.